Ako para sa akin, yung pinaka-memorable siguro yung stories nila. Kasi isa yun sa mga bagay na na-inspire ako. Sa mga stories nila, alam mo yung bigyan nila ako ng tiwala na mag-share sila sa akin. At siguro, dahil sa mga stories nila, mas napupush ako to do better. At siguro, mas naiintindihan ko din talaga sila kung sino sila. Parang mas lumalalim dun yung friendship namin. Hindi rin siguro friendship, yung family namin. At gusto kong kalimutan, parang wala naman gusto kong kalimutan. Kasi lahat ng bagay na nangyari sa loob ng bahay ni Kuya, meant to be talaga. At para sa akin, hindi na pwedeng palitan yun. Like, kailangan na lang mag-move on at gawin kung ano yung mga dapat gawin sa mga darating na opportunities. Yun.
Thank you, Vince. Again, Josh, ikaw naman.
For me, siguro din, ang daming nangyari sa loob na hindi ko talaga makakalimutan. Sobrang memorable. Everything, all of it. But siguro one particular thing na naalala ko when I was team leader, task leader with Cyril pati si Tommy. Hindi ko makakalimutan yun kasi that was the first time na twice in a row kami nanalo. And it was just such a good feeling na nanalo kami two weeks in a row. So may budget kami, weekly budget, for 2 weeks straight. So we had food, so it was good, you know. It was a good time. Pagkain kami sa bahay at hindi kami nagutom. Kaya na-enjoy ka rin. I was so happy kasi it was a fun task. Nag-isip pa kami na sobrang aga para mag-shoot para kay Donnie. I still remember that. That was such a first letter. Kaya sobrang memorable lang talaga sa akin. And siguro makakalimutan.
Gusto mong makalimutan?
Saan mo sino? Gusto kong makalimutan. Hindi. Mali. Gusto kong makalimutan. Gusto kong makalimutan.
Anong moment sa journey mo sa PBB ang pwede, ayaw ko na lang maalala o gusto mo makalimutan?
Siguro yung pag-alis ko po sa bahay ng Kuya. Gusto kong makalimutan yun. Kasi hanggang ngayon, hindi ko po kayang panoorin, iyak po. And that's really hard for me. And yeah, I think that's one of the biggest things. And that's why I didn't rewatch anything. Kasi they don't want to break what we have. Yeah. Siguro yun, pati sopa situation.
Gusto kong alahari ka talaga.
Buddies na kami, magkalala. So yeah, that's that.
Thank you, Josh. Okay, sige. Ngayon, let's ask Michael naman.
Yeah,
go ahead.
That's a really good question po. Something I want to remember and forget. Simulan ko lang sa gusto ko makalimutan. I think all the housemates would agree that we would forget about the nominations. Kasi yung nominations is something that we have to, find a way na medyo negative about one another. Siguro yung mga araw na nag-nominate kami, yung pinakamabigat sa bahay ni Kuya. Ramdam namin yung bigat. It's not, it's a different type of sadness. Kasi doon namin nalalaman na konti-konti malalaki sa itong pamilya na to. And we don't want that to happen. And as much as we could, we really try to find ways to maintain what we had, di ba? So, yung memories na yun, siguro automatic. I don't want to remember that na kung ano man yung mga rason nila, forget about it kasi what's important is the family that we built. Something I would always remember, and I always say this sa mga interviews ko, was the moment I was a task leader with River. May ginawa po kasi kaming task, Tower of Love. And sa task po kasi na yun, yung kapuso magkasama po kami at yung mga kapamilya magkasama. And doon ko naramdaman yung power of collaboration. Kasi ito yung moment na as a kapuso we united to focus on our side, the kapamilya did their thing. But once when we were together in the middle to complete our task, we were all working cohesively. Iba yung parang walang differences, kumbaga. And doon ko nakita na, shucks, ang solid of tong pamilya na to. And it's so cool lang because we're all part of the same industry. Lahat kami mga artista, lahat kami pumunta dito sa bahay para supportahan din ang isa't isa. At nung nakompleto kasi namin yung task na yun, it was a matter of minutes lang. At was so unexpected kasi almost impossible siya at first. Ang tuwa namin kasi yung talon ng lahat, it was still in my memory na parang movie na ang saya, talon kami ng talon, we did a task that was so hard. And at the time kasi, sa bahay ni Kuya, medyo down kami nun. Talo lagi kami sa weekly tasks. gutom na kami. So gusto na namin manalo. Kaya nung nanalo kami, siguro din kaya kami, we were jumping for joy. And it's something I will remember because it was a memory, not just me as a task leader, not me and River. It was a successful task as a whole family.
That's so good. Thank you so much, Michael. I'm sure marami pa kayo lahat mga gustong matandaan, makalimutan sa loob ng bahay ni Kuya. But don't worry, we'll have time for everyone to speak and share your experiences. But let's move to...
I had a big sepangs moment actually when I first got evicted. Yan po talaga yung malaking sepangs ko. Because the moment I opened my phone, I realized everyone was still inside. And I was outside. Me, Ate Ash, and me, Kio, we were outside. And we couldn't see them anymore. There wasn't that feeling of parang, they're not, hindi na sila one call away. Hindi sila one good morning away, you know. Kaya the first time I got evicted, yun po talaga yung biggest sepangs moment ko. And I couldn't stop crying. There was a time that I would scroll on TikTok and I'd see an edit of like me, Brendan is here, and then may overlapping pa ng mga boses nila. Hala! I would cry so hard. I'd be like, I miss Brent, I miss his name, I miss the house space. It was so bad, honestly. But the second time around, when we're here naman as part of Big 4, thank God that nasama din ako. It's a miracle talaga. Now that we came out as Big 4 all together, wala naman po siyang malaking sepangs. Not as bad as the time we got evicted. Because I know that everyone is outside. I know that there's a chance that I'm going to see them more often. And I know that there's a chance that I can just call them back. And we're all here together. Like here today, we're all with the Caprisos. Kaya I'm really happy.
That's true, no? Medyo unique pala yung situation din kasi ni Charlie. But we want to hear from you, AZ. Ang tagal mo doon sa loob ng bahay ni Kuya.
I'm Miss Dolly. Thank you for that question. Ako, sobrang nagsisepangs talaga ako. Even right now, like, kasi, yeah. Pero like, kasi, di ba in the house, I've mentioned about like the friendships that I've had before. And I'm happy na sa house na yun, I've built a family with them. Like, nahanap ko yung core ko here sa Manila. And yung core ko na I know will last a lifetime talaga. And sobrang happy talaga ako with the people that I've met. Yung mga tao na to, yung mga kasama namin, bihira na lang tumahanap. Kaya gusto ko sila hawakan talaga na hindi ko sila kayang ilag ko. Ayun, kasi sobrang masaya talaga ako sa nabuo namin. And even though busy kami ngayon, sobrang happy ako na we still make time for dinner. Like yesterday, naggaling kami sa work, then nag-dinner kami after. So yun yung mga little things na napapasaya talaga sa akin. Just spending time with them, catching up with them. Sobrang happy talaga ako with all those moments.
Thank you so much, AZ. Thank you so much too, Miss Dolly, for your question. Very interesting nga, no? Sepangs dahil ang tagal nila sa bahay. But let's continue this. Let's have naman Miss Tin Bailon.